Hey guys, how to download all files from Google Drive. Of course, we can download it one by one. For this, click right button and then select download. Also, we can select one file or one folder, then press Ctrl or Shift and another folder. And we can download two folders in one zip file. And if you want to download all files, or for example all spreadsheet files or all document files, you can create archive from your Google account. For this, open your Google account, then choose Manage your Google account, and here click Data and Privacy. After that, scroll down and find data from our apps and services that we use. Here, click Content saved from Google Services and then download your data. Next, we need to find our Google Drive because we have many services, 42 services, and if you need, you can download data from these services. I deselect all and find our Google Drive. It's here, choose it, and then let's choose our data. Click multiple formats, and we can download data for our archive in different formats. For example, documents we can download in Microsoft Word format or in PDF format, and in other formats also, for example, drawings in JPG or PDF, etc. Also, we can click Advanced Settings and we can include additional information for files and folders. And finally, click All Drive Data Included. We can download all data, or we can deselect all and choose, for example, only Google Sheets user data. OK. Now I want to download all files. Click OK, and it is important, scroll down and click Next Step. We can send our download link via email or choose another variant. And it's interesting, we can export it once, or we can export every 2 months for 1 year. Every 2 months, Google Drive will create a new archive, and every 2 months, Google Drive will send download link via email. Then we can choose our file type. I recommend to use zip file and choose file size. 2 GB is optimal file size for one file. If your archive is bigger, it will be split into multiple files for 2 GB. If you split your archive more than 2 GB, for example 4 GB or 50 GB, your zip file will be compressed in zip 64. For me it's not convenient because I will create an archive by 2 GB files. Finally, click Create Export. Export progress, and in the end we will get the link with our archive on our email. Thanks for the watching. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.